Up there, the Smoothbusters. So the next step for us is to go to the spirit of the myth and replicate the results. And that means making our own wine bottle machine gun.
And back at the shop, that's exactly what the Mythbusters are gunning for.
After all of our testing, we've decided to try to replicate the results and get that machine gun effect Myth talks about by harnessing the power of the wine bottle.
We basically just cut up a bunch of pipes and put on some bearings, made it look like a Gatling gun, and we're going to use propane as a heat source.
This is it, the ultimate Mythbuster wine machine gun. We're using chilled champagne bottles, shaken, and set over an open flame. Now it's time to fire this thing.
It's certainly a red-hot piece of hardware that only needs a target. That's where Grant comes in.
There'll be potentially shattering glass, boiling liquid. So I have this. It's a fire suit. Hopefully, it'll keep you safe. Let's do this.
With Grant quite literally staring down the barrel,
Here comes the pain!
it's go time.
I forgot to protect my nether regions.
As machine guns go, it's a low-key start, as the team has to wait 10 minutes for the wine to reach optimum pressure. But then...
I don't know about dangerous, but it's hilarious. They're actually hitting some floors. Right in the gut.
It's a sparkling Mythbusters moment. But with reloading too dangerous, the conclusion is inevitable.
We got the wine bottles to act like a machine gun, and we got the corks to go in the direction we wanted it. Now, I feel a little bad for Grant, but I think he would agree it was worth it, at least for science.